Okay, Project C10, big block, but we got some engine noise, and it's a little hard to hear when it's idling. Go ahead and start it. Little throttle. Of course, now that the video is quiet, let's go underneath. I can hear it a little bit there. Alright, we got the fuel pump off and the fuel pump rod. This one looks like it's banged up a little bit. So I'm going to take a measurement here, and I'm coming up with 5.750, maybe 51, right about 50. Bought a couple new ones here, brand new. This one here appears to have never been installed. Actually, no, this one's maybe installed if you look at the very ends of it. Maybe somebody returned it. It wasn't in the plastic in the box. This one is measuring the same, 5.750, 51. Okay, so that's good. But then I got another brand new one that was in the plastic here. Let's just see how he measures. And same brand. And I'm measuring 5.740, 42, 38. Yeah, let's call it 5.740. 10 thousandths shorter. Okay. Not ideal. We're going to try this other fuel pump over here that we've got plumbed. I was planning to put it on anyways to add a little pressure, but we're going to use the longer of the two new rods and see what we get. All right, back to C10. Replumbed the fuel system. Got a different pump on there. New fuel pump rod. It's quieter. This is an amazing day. Okay, go ahead and hit it. So the ticking noise, I don't hear. Literally sounded like a connecting rod over on the passenger side bank. So if you ever have a ticking noise to that part of the engine, big block, small block, I think that same rod, do some investigation. Because the rod that we removed was the same length, but was showing some signs of wear, and the fuel pump, I decided to go a little bigger. Good luck.